What's good, boys? Live today. Yesterday I did not trade at all, but today I'm gonna be looking to potentially take a trade. As of right now, I don't love anything. I'm gonna. What's good, Eddie? Go live more often? Yeah. I mean, I will. I definitely will be. I didn't go live yesterday because I was kind of chilling. What's good, y'all? What's good, y'all? All right, right now, just by the looks of things, I'm expecting to see expansion higher. We came back down. We have this balanced price range, and this is a first presentation from, I believe, Monday. This orange box is a daily volume imbalance. And the yellow one is yesterday's first presentation, which I'm gonna change to white. This is today's new day opening gap. True day open. We drop below that. I want to look for SMT here. We kind of have one with like the bodies here. Or no, we have one with the lows here. Right as we took this low here. Or we didn't. Did we take it? No, we didn't really take that low. ES has taken these highs though. So I'm expecting to see probably some catch up on NASDAQ here as we trade into this 15-minute order block. It looks nice. Well, if we look at the daily chart, we've yet to take this high here. So I'm looking for that. And look at what else that is. It's a new week opening gap. So that'd be a good draw on liquidity in my opinion. We're within that daily volume imbalance here. We traded lower, back down to this candle's open, back down to this order block right there on the daily chart. Nothing to really rush, but it just looks like just like this high is, that high just looks too clean, in my opinion. Here. Look at that new day opening gap here. I would want to see us trade back down to this order block here, but I don't think it will. I don't think we might not. I'm gonna make it blue today. Let's change this to white. Alright, let's see if this is IOFED. We have S&T at the lows here as well. This looks like a good IOFED, but I don't want to take it. We're in too far of a premium. I want to see us trade back down to this, but I'm assuming that this new day opening gap is going to keep price at bay. Notice how we don't have any fair value gap here. Like, this could be an entry here off this order block here, in my opinion, but it's in too deep of a premium for me to take. Oh, 30 points there. I'm just gonna note this new week opening gap CE here. It's gonna be a nice level. I'm expecting that to be the draw. Look on ES. And ES doesn't really have a new week opening gap. Dollar has some smooth sell side. I don't know, it just... This move here on ES so far right now, or sorry, on NQ, I feel like should have more displacement. I feel like there shouldn't be a retracement here, especially right at open. Usually these moves are fast and quick. We have everything that we have so far. I think ES might trade down to its current new day opening gap here at the same time as NQ trades in, or maybe that lower 1 minute order block. We have a 15-minute inversion here, so we have a balanced price range. So I'm definitely expecting this high here. I might engage this. ES just trade into its new day opening gap there. Constant encroachment traded to. Okay, we don't have any news. Just want to double check. Oh, we have a little 10 a.m. Put it like a little bit lower. Dang. Alright, we want to see lower prices for sure. We just traded through ES's new day opening gap. We now have a balanced price range. Order blocks failed to the high of the new day opening gap. I don't think we're interested in trading these highs here. This now becomes a breaker. I'm gonna go ahead and change this. Alright, this is a balanced price range. I don't like this. I gotta stop. Damn, bro. Man. I guess I just can't trade, bro. What's up with this? What's up with this? I like it though. It's some little adversity on the channel. Just don't worry. We'll be back on this account for sure. I don't. Yo, what's good, Ryan? I guess I've given free fades on this channel. I don't really like that. The fact that we I guess I should just stick to tape reading. The fact that we traded below the New Day opening gap on ES and now we're back above it. We should see higher prices or else we're just in Seek and Destroy here. And I'm not going to take another stab. What's good? What's good, bro? All right, now we should see expansion this high, or else we're just in Seek and Destroy. We just traded the low end of this, so I mean, I feel like my stop could have been way tighter on this trade here. I feel like my stop could have been at the high of that breaker, because like I'm already switching bias. So I would like to have a slower, like we have a, like this is everything. You have a balanced price range, you have an inversion, you have first presentation, we traded below New Day opening gap, expanded below. So, I mean, I guess we just wanted to see this year. Yeah, for sure. Oh no, we'll be back. I do recently. I mean, I'm kind of just, in my opinion, just trying to find my model. So I've been taking a lot more trades just to test price action, which is kind of a cop out, but like in reality, like this is nothing. Like that's literally that's one trade, and then like that's all that is. This is one trade. I wish I think my stop should have been tighter though. I didn't need it to be above New Day opening gap, but that's where I put it. In my opinion, it could have been like above this high here, above that breaker. Like we should not violate that. This should have acted as the institutional or full entry drill. We should just boom expand it lower. So like now, like this could be used as mitigation here. But it's just not worth it. I don't like ES at all. If you look at ES's price action, ES just looks terrible. Looks like YM right now. See if we have a reclaimed order block here. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this price action. It's teasing. ES is looking bearish here. NQ should have displaced by now, in my opinion. We should have been at this high already. Especially after this. In my opinion, this fair value gap right here is the last line of defense. We have like a 15-second order block here. With a volume imbalance. I do like this. Right there. I don't like that response though. Yeah, it's definitely worth. It's definitely better to wait. I'm just gonna wait here. I'm gonna let 950 macro tip its hand. I never look at YM, but I'm pulling it up. On YM, we have a new week opening gap right here. Okay, we have a 15-second fair value gap we just traded into. I want to study this. Why does it not have these defaults? Yeah, I would say right there. In the macro, after we disrespected this first presentation, we have volume balance with constant crochet that 1 minute wick. Right there. And you have an order block right here. You got a 1 minute Bissy here too. Alright, so it looks like we left that as a breakaway. I just pulled up ICT live. He's in a trade. Alright, we're now within that new week opening gap. Just by look at this, I think we could trade at this new week opening gap. Look at the body there. And also look at how we respected the high end of that. ES hasn't taken the highs yet. Kind of ironic because it was the higher one. Alright, notice how we're displacing here? So I'm looking at this one here. We're not respecting this one, so I'm expecting to see this one. Oh. block 15-second with that busy on the 1 minute. Oh, is it bad? I'm not listening to it. Hey, I need to. I'm gonna listen to this one. That's funny. Straight out of Disney. Ain't no way. Man, there just ain't no good background music anymore. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it off. No music, I guess. Alright, trade back in that order block while taking sell side. Volume balance right there with that down close candle. I want to see if that offers anything. Why not Mozart? I don't know. I'm not really feeling it. He's dropping a new album. It looks kind of dark through my screen. It really ain't that dark in here. I mean, I got my LEDs on. All right, new week opening gap traded into there. ES just took its buy side. ES is in all time highs as well. I honestly don't really I don't really anticipate a reversal here. At least not yet. Like now we're in the premium. We're above true day. We just traded into a new week opening gap. We could possibly reverse, but I just don't really. I kind of see more consolidation than anything because you look at the daily chart on ES. We're just in all time highs. And I think this should be. I don't know why it does that. Anytime on the higher time frame, it always just deletes my box. That's if we get really animated. That low does look interesting though. Where's that new week opening gap in relation to it? I was also right on a new week opening gap. See if we trade into the CE of this new week opening gap. It's in yellow. You can't. My indicator doesn't show it on the 1 minute chart. Nice PA. It's always nice. I'm here this morning. We just had a deeper retracement than I wanted to see, and I forced that bias on the trade. Like we just had a retracement into this down close candle right here. That's all it was. It stopped here. It could have been smaller. I guess just sticking to that original bias, but you live and you learn. ES is about to trade into this new day opening gap. Here. It like just touched it. Pull up ES. Right there. We're just slowly melting higher here. Not respecting new week opening gap at all. Notice how we traded outside of that. Now I'm showing all these new. Oh, I was just on. The last 60, I see. I'm looking at this new day opening gap now. As ES had that, as ES just like manipulated there, I guess. Hey Ryan, bro. I believe in you. I would say just take it one day at a time. Just keep it up. Just keep it up. How's life been treating you? Life for me recently, I mean, it's kind of the same old, same old. I've definitely just been grinding, per usual. But I mean, I know I'm definitely maturing. I can definitely tell. I'm definitely maturing up a little bit, and I don't know, kind of just chilling. How about you? How about you, Eddie? I've just been focusing on trading a lot. Like that's what I do most of the time. But I'm not gonna lie. I've taken a little bit time to kind of just take off the charts. Like, I mean, I guess like the past 3 days, I haven't been on the charts as much, or like studying as much, which I think is nice. RES. Notice how Nasdaq's making three higher highs here. And I guess that's the 15th. So let me pull up the 1 minute here. ES is making, or NQ is making three higher highs here. You don't see that in ES. Yeah, I agree. I would agree, Juan. But also, I just think like having other people like, I mean, Discord is good, but also can be bad if you're using it the wrong way. Same with any social media. Like I deleted Instagram. I deleted. I don't have Snapchat. I don't have anything. I used to post on Instagram so much, and the reason was is because I'm like, what am I really trying to do here? And like deep down inside, I was just trying to get attention. I was just trying to get like recognition by other people, and I just wanted to feel like important. Like, that's deep down what I wanted when I was on Instagram. And that's all that is just wanting recognition, wanting to feel important. And I was like, bro, I do not need this. I don't need other people to like say good job. I don't need other people to tell me that you're doing good. I don't need other people. Like, let's just focus on ourselves here. And because it got toxic for a minute. Like people in my comments, I'm like, bro, I don't need this. So I just tuned it out. I don't like anything right now. I do want to pull up ES here on the screen. That was ES. So we traded. This is the new day opening gap from today. We traded lower. We traded all the way back up in that. As we took this low here on on NQ. After that 3 drive, back in that Sibby is what we traded into there. If we trade below this wick here, that might be an entry for me. That might look to trade to this sell side in that 15-minute fair value gap. We traded that 1 minute Sibby there. We failed to make a fair value gap there. Alright, I'm just gonna tape read this. I don't really want to trade this. We have this low, which is that 15-minute Bissy. I did like that 15-second order block right there. Look at the bodies at that new weak opening gap as well. And that's Sibby here. I don't like ES's price action right now. We're just gravitating around that new day opening gap. So for me, this is something to taper, not something to look to engage. Look at that Sibi trading back into that. We created this balanced price range. I thought seeing this, I wanted to see this trade to this low here. But we didn't though. Same 15-second order block here. Notice how we didn't respect constant encroachment of that wick. In my opinion, the fact that we didn't really respect that could be problematic here. It'll trade back up to that Sibi though. Oh, I'm gonna pull up ES here. Look at this wick here. Look at that constant encroachment. Alright, we're about to even have a 15-minute change set delivery here. Oh wait, hold on. Was I on the 30-minute chart there? I was. About to create a 5-minute Sibi here. Trading this 15-minute Bissy here. I don't know. We're going from discount here to, or from premium to possible discount. We do have sell side that rests here, which I think could get traded to, but if that were to get traded to, it would probably get traded to in the PM session, in my opinion. We have this new week opening gap we traded into. We have a possible new day opening gap up here that didn't get traded into. We now have up close candles and then this order block or this Sibi here. This would be a valid entry. Stop above here to see maybe lower prices, but it's not my type of trade. So watch how you speak on that name, you know. I like that mean threshold level. You just bought another funded challenge Monday and passed it today. Oh, nice, bro. What funded are you using? Apex. All this price action here, you have sell side delivery, buy side delivery, sell side delivery. Now we're within this fair value gap here, so I kind of want to enter here off of that. You're within that civvy here. See how we're already above? We didn't respect that. I think my stop could be even tighter here. This CE, I want to see definitely respected. And that high, that civvy. Look for that volume imbalance to get traded back into. I don't think we need to trade any higher. We've had sell side, buy side, sell side delivery. I'm giving my stop plenty of room here. I don't like that. Keep on taking buy side here. Oh shoot. I didn't mean to do that. clicked buy one. I didn't mean to enter. I meant to press Sibi and then it sold one. Alright, we should displace lower here. We now have a wick on the 1 minute, so I don't want to see this get disrespected. I want to see displacement now. Alright, that Sibi should hold. Alright. I just don't like how much time we're spending. Alright, now we have this Sibi with this order block. That previous candle low there. You that 15-minute open. Right here, that it looks like we're trading back up into. Like how we traded back up into that candle high, candle low. Mm. Volume bounce right here as well. Sibi. $15 Sibi. Trade into 3 times. I guess before I entered, I didn't see the Sibi here. That's how we traded that, and then we had a stop on, and then we went lower. I was the stop on. I was the liquidity. We have this low that I liked, suspect, and then we also have this daily volume imbalance. We also have first presentation that we could trade into. Other than that, I mean, we are in a premium here, so we could see as much as the sell side liquidity today, but I don't know if this will get traded to. It's kind of as a wait and see. It could trade to, in my opinion, but I'm not looking for it. Definitely not within AM session. Look at that constant encroachment level. Look at the bodies gathered around that. All right, we're trading a 1 minute civvy. We have a wick right here as well. As we traded the low end of that Bissy. This is kind of the price one that I was looking for. Admittedly, I want to see us trade to this volume imbalance. That reaction right here in this displacement tells me that maybe we might not want to see lower. All right, Loki, I'm finna head out of here. It was a nice tape read. Pretty much got the morning session here. That's probably what I'll do. I'll probably just be live for like an hour and a half, just for the AM sessions, and then I might do some PM sessions. Like today, I might go live for PM session, but I guess we'll see. This is the price action that I saw in my eyes. But look at this, the rest of the PM session, or rest of the AM session and the PM session, I really don't know. I mean, we have new week opening gap, which I don't really expect us to trade back up here. We could. I want to see lower prices. We are in a premium. We're above true day. We're above new day opening gap. So we are in a premium here. So I want to see if we want to trade from premium to discount prices. And yeah, that's all I got for this one. I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a good one, y'all.